Welcome back to another Auditor Workweek vlog. It is Sunday and I'm gonna get a quick run in. It's daylight saving time, so it's like 12:30 and the day already feels like it's just flying by, but I wanna take you guys along with my work week, let you guys know what I'm working on. I'm really trying to be more consistent about these workweek vlogs, so let's go ahead and get this day started. Much later, you guys. It is about 4 o'clock and I showered. I ran 3 miles on the treadmill. I'm trying to have like a no makeup day to kind of reset everything and really take care of my skin. I uploaded a video on 10 things you should do in Chicago, so check it out if you're interested in travel guides. I've been working on writing for a little bit and also planning out my outfits for the week. I love to plan out my outfits either Friday or Sunday for the next week. It's just a lot of fun for me and it helps me be more organized. So I'm going to show you guys what I decided to pick out. It's going to be pretty warm this week, so I'm going to be wearing some light Portofino blouses, light sweaters, this tank from Express, loft pants, and maybe this black turtleneck. I have a really busy week this week. I'm going to be going to some happy hours. I have a training. It's just a lot of different things going on, and I like to be prepared on Sunday, so I will iron this stuff later on, so then I'm not really thinking about my outfits for the week.
Oh, do you feel the sun? Violet skies, baby, hear the sound. The way we move in the desert, see the moon through the humid air, feel the groove deep in your blood, yeah. Yellow sunshine, baby, we don't care. All you need you get for free if you stick with me. Feel the blended heat. It's just a little liberty.
It is 10:37. I'm 100% not tired, drinking my daily seltzer water, not lemon water, seltzer water. And I did a lot of writing today. I wrote about 1,800 words, so it was a really productive day for me there. And I've just been watching some YouTube for the last 20 minutes or so. And I think I'm probably gonna still watch till like 11-ish, then straighten my hair for tomorrow, and then finally turn in and hopefully fall asleep before like 1 a.m. This time change is definitely throwing me off. It definitely feels like 9:30 and not 10:30. It is Monday morning. Here's outfit of the day. Green and white striped Portofino shirt, tan modern skinny ankle pants, and I made sure I tucked in my pockets because according to Shea Whitney, that makes you look frumpy. So it is now 10:38. I did not get a chance to update you guys, but today was pretty uneventful. I was working on some issue validation for an issue actually in November. It had to deal with subscriber access to an application and it not being stored properly. It was actually my first assignment at my new job, and I had to give the issue deliverance to like the line of business, and the executive was really mean and snappy, but luckily my manager like stepped in and helped me out, so now we're validating that, and that was basically what I was working on today. Also went to a presentation where these different startups competed with their ideas for nonprofits for funding from my company, so that was really cool. We heard some really different ideas. After work I ran, I had some chicken sliders for dinner, and I did a little bit of writing, and I've just been texting a lot of people and watching some YouTube. I watched a Michio vlog and I love her. She's just so relatable and she's one of my recent discoveries. And I've just been having some tangerine LaCroix as my little nightly snack. I also did go to the grocery store to pick up a few things, and it was really surprising to me that the Clorox wipes were all out except for 2 things of them. Now, I normally wipe off my phone like every day when I come home from work, so like I use Clorox wipes regularly, so that's like a regular thing for me, not just because of the coronavirus, but pretty crazy that people bought that many things of Clorox wipes. So they told us that we need to take home our computer every single day. So hopefully it warms up and that's not as much of a threat, but I'm still not really that tired, even though it's 10:40. But I think I'm gonna try to do some skincare and then hopefully go to sleep a little bit earlier than yesterday. I was up like tossing and turning till 1 a.m. and I only got 4 hours and 50 minutes of sleep. Good morning, everyone. It's 6:29. I'm wearing a black loft sweater, red tank top from Express, necklace from Bobble Bar, and loft modern skinny black and white pants. When I get to work, I'll change into my black ASOS loafers to kind of complete the look.
Every time I'm going out, the same things keep happening. New boy, same tricks. Coming close to me now, trying to be smooth. So here we go again, here we go again. You're trying to buy me drinks, and I don't like your cheap tricks. Take it somewhere else, would ya? Would ya? I don't know what you think, but I'm not one of those chicks. Take it somewhere else, would ya? Would ya? You got nothing on me, you got nothing.
So it is 4:13. Today was insanely busy. I literally have not looked at my phone since 11 a.m. this morning, but I love being really busy. It kind of gets me all fired up. So that issue that I was telling you guys about yesterday, it's so interesting that they want us to validate it so quickly, and we have to get it validated by Friday basically, because otherwise they have this big meeting and their like executive apparently calls people out if their issues aren't validated. Meanwhile, according to our own methodology, we don't have to validate it till June, so it's really on them. And then apparently if we don't have it validated, even though we don't need it validated till June, they're gonna like call us out of this meeting. So that was interesting. But anyway, this line of business is just total jerks. They're some of the rudest people like at the bank probably. Changed their story so many times. It was so hard to get a hold of them. Like whenever we were doing our audit work, and now all of a sudden they want us to validate this issue so they don't get in trouble, even though we don't really need to validate it. So I was working on that and sent that to my manager. I also got randomly thrown on another audit, so now I'm on 4 audits and we had some meetings for that. You guys, it is 5:45 and I'm home from work. It's been insane. I've had 7 meetings today. I could go into that, but I'm not. I will say that because of coronavirus, our company is doing a company-wide work from home for the foreseeable future starting on Monday. They announced it like right before we left, and totally crazy. So I guess I'm gonna be at my house for a while. So yeah, not sure how to feel about that. On one hand, I think that things are kind of being blown out of proportion politically, but on the other hand, it's important to, protect the elderly and vulnerable. And it's really good because so far there haven't been any cases in Pittsburgh, which I'm sure there's going to be, but at least right now we don't have any cases. So I think it's more of a precaution for some of our other markets. But anyway, that's the crazy news. I was wearing this Smashbox foundation today and it just totally oxidized. Super disappointed with that. And then I just had like all of these meetings, and maybe I'll talk about that more tomorrow, but it's just been crazy. We had training all day yesterday, and that was okay. And then I went to happy hour, and let's face it, a business happy hour is never just a happy hour. It was like drinking, and so I literally looked terrible today. I got ready so fast. I managed to get to work by like 7:35. I had an 8 a.m. with my manager, and so I had so many meetings today with him, and we finally had our data analytics meeting that I was talking about last week, and that actually went really well. I think they're going to be able to pull these reports for us so we can use for our testing. And I don't know, that's just kind of how my day went. It's really nice outside. It's about 60 degrees, so I think I'm gonna go for a run. And then I have to download something on my computer because tomorrow we can't use our VPNs to work from home because they're trying to do a system-wide thing where we can test out if everyone in the company can work remotely at the same time. So they told us not to use VPN, to use VDS, which I don't have on my computer, so have to download that. But anyway, that's just my little update. I hope you guys are having a good week and staying safe from the coronavirus, and I will talk to you guys later. So I'm at Target currently trying to prepare for the apocalypse. I think I'm a little late on this game, even though I write sci-fi and might have even predicted some of the crazy stuff that's happening. If you want to know more about that, the link to my book is in the description below. I'm wearing this Smashbox like Pro Filter or something foundation. I don't know what it's called, but it looks so incredibly just weird. My mom said it looked like an alien before I put on like the rest of my makeup. I don't know how to describe it. It's very, the color doesn't look good on my skin. It's way too warm, but it's 3 and it's fair with neutral undertones, so I don't know why it's so warm looking. And it's also like really cakey and patchy, so total no for me, and I will not be doing a wear test on this foundation. But yeah, I just decided to do my makeup and get out of my house and prepare for the apocalypse. So that is on the agenda for right now. Happy Saturday. I have an hour and 17 minutes to do my hair and makeup, which is probably not enough time for me, in all honesty. I'm going out tonight. It's 2:43 right now, and for some reason last night I stayed up till 3 a.m. and then slept until 11, and I still did my workout, been doing laundry, got iced coffee, priorities, but let's get ready and head out. Okay guys, I made it to Bloomfield. I am literally never, ever, ever early to anything. And I got to the city of Pittsburgh to pass downtown, where it normally takes me an hour to go. I literally made it here in 35 minutes. This is definitely the least amount of people I have ever seen on the roads, and I guess it's because of coronavirus. And it's so weird because St. Patty's Day is usually a huge celebration in Pittsburgh, so this is so freaking bizarre. I'm just gonna sign off the vlog here. I don't know if I'll upload the footage from yesterday, but thanks guys for making it to the end. Comment down below if you did, and stay safe out there. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.